How do you delete stickers from iPhone keyboard? Let me talk about it and explain it. And if you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So the best way, if you ask me, would be by going to the settings, tapping on general, and at the bottom right there, somewhere from the list, we can click on the keyboard. As such, plenty of options as usual, but at the bottom entirely this time, we have the stickers toggle, and there isn't really much to change except for enabling or disabling it, but based on the description, it's going to allow me to send stickers from the emoji keyboard. But the point is that if you don't like the stickers being part of your keyboard, you can disable it inside of the settings, and of course, then when you go to the selection for the emojis, you only see the recently used ones and the regular selection of emojis, and no stickers are part of the keyboard anymore. So that's what you probably wanted to do. If you mean deleting specific stickers from your stickers portfolio or album, whatever you want to call it, you can go to the messages, click on any chat and plus button, go to the sticker selection, and if you want to delete those which you have saved in here, you can hold down on any of them and click on a delete like that, and it's going to disappear from your device. That's how you can delete individual stickers and not like the whole functionality of it. So it depends on what you wanted to achieve. That's like the way it works on iPhone. Of course, if you have some third-party messenger apps like, I don't know, WhatsApp or even others, there you have like another set of stickers which are specific to that app only, but I'm not going to cover that in this video. If you would like to see that, let me know below, but definitely subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.